And we're on our way down to the ground floor. We've got tile floor down here, elevator door. Here's a closet, 2 hot water heaters in here. You've got a game area, refrigerator, sink, and dishwasher. Cabinets. This looks like the elevator mechanicals in this room or closet. We have a bedroom and a bathroom over there, and a bedroom over this way. There's your air handler for down here. And all tile floor. Outside this window you have the hot tub and some lattice work, and then the pool. Big dunes, ocean view. This door takes you to the garage. There's some steps down, concrete. Everything looks good in here. I have a few flood vents here, 3, and I don't know if there's more required that have been covered up or if they're not required. I think if this is in the X flood zone, then those vents aren't required. Or shaded X. You have just a shower down here. And the second bedroom downstairs. Large closet. Two beds. The headboard on this bed's kind of leaning down a little bit. And these are inexpensive blinds, and they're not lifting up. But the frames for the windows looked good in the entire home. I can't speak for the glass, although I think it's just dirty and seals are okay. Well, we're going to take a walk outside and see what we've got.